Stop. If your videos die at second 2, this is for you. Before, choppy cuts, muddy audio, no captions, flat colors. After, smooth transitions, clean sound, auto-captions that hook, rich color. You do not need fancy software. You need the right workflow. Learn CapCut fast. Cut precisely without guesswork. Add viral-style transitions that feel seamless. Auto-captions that keep eyes on screen. AI audio cleanup so voices sound crisp. Color, speed ramps, export presets for TikTok, Reels, Shorts. 21 short lessons. Zero fluff. Edit 2, 3 times faster. Post better today. Perfect for creators, coaches, small businesses, anyone who needs results now. This launch is limited. When it's gone, it's gone. Get instant access and turn raw clips into scroll-stopping content. Tap the link in bio.
What you'll see is that your video will then be added to the track. When you come to the track, what you'll notice then is that you can right-click the track and you will then have options. You can extract the audio and you can do transcript-based